Hello, this is our modular Apple pod. What about the Apple cabin you see now? The length is 11 meters, 3 meters wide and 3 meters high. The total footprint is 33 square meters. It is the layout of 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, and 1 bathroom. The first thing to enter is the dining room and living room, equipped with an integrated large single slot and induction cooker. Below is the storage space. It comes with its own fine decoration. You can eat, work, meet the needs of daily life. The whole house is equipped with central air conditioning, while filling polyurethane thermal insulation material. Optional floor heating. It's not a problem to use it at minus 30 degrees. Wet and dry separate toilet. A glass shower room is installed inside. All hardware bathrooms, including wash basin. Smart beauty mirrors are factory standard. This bathroom is still an integrated design. Directly make the hole and put it in the Apple cabin. Both rooms have the same layout. They're all equipped with sensor lights and floor-to-ceiling windows. It can be used as a study and bedroom. The floor-to-ceiling windows are made of double-layer hollow Lowy glass, hollow layer up to 18 millimeters, sound insulation, and heat preservation. The glass here is frosted glass. It can effectively protect your privacy. This side can be used as a work area. There is storage space up and down. The space of the cabinet is very large. The doors and windows of the whole house use broken bridge aluminum profile windows. The main body is made of hot dip galvanized steel structure. It's not a problem to use it for 50 years. The shell is made of fluorocarbon painted aluminum plate, is up to 3 millimeters. No rust corrosion.